Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since we last posted. We had a really busy season, but now we're back. We're gonna try to post more often. We just got an 8x5 wool rug. The client told me that her dog threw up on it, so she wants to get that stain out, and I'm gonna show you our step-by-step process of how we would clean this rug. Our first step is always pre-inspection. We take pictures. We check for any previous damages or anything that could be of concern. After that, our second step will be dusting. This rug is really thin. It's right here. And since it's really thin, we're gonna treat it a little bit differently. So I'm gonna show you two different ways that we would dust this rug. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's a closer look at the rug. Here's that dog vomit stain right there. But these are the two methods that I would use to dust this rug. Right here is with compressed air and using this tornado gun, I believe it's called. It's really good. What we do is we hang it on one of these and we just evenly shoot the air pressure through it, and you'll see a lot of dust coming out of it. Another way we would do this is using this Master Blaster. It's a car and bike dryer. This is usually, like, I guess, to dry off cars, but what we do is we connect it to our wand right here. We lay it flat and we just go over it as if we were cleaning, but it's actually blowing out air from the wand. So I'll show you both of those methods. They both work really good. You're just gonna have to take your time and do it slowly and evenly to make sure you can get all the dust out of it. Always make sure you do the front and the back, and always wear a mask because you'll be surprised how much dust comes out of this. So that was with the air compression. Now let's try it with the air blower. Alright, so we have the rug fully dusted. Now the next step would be to wet it and add our solution. So let me show you where we keep all of our chemicals. Okay, so this is where we keep all of our chemicals in this metal shelf. We get all of our chemicals from Bridgepoint Systems. I believe you can buy this on Aramco. I'll put a link in the description of where you can find this, but for example, we use this for wool rugs. We use this for upholstery. We use this if there's a rug with a really bad urine odor. We have BioBreak and Boost All. This is for synthetic rugs. We have some pet treatment too for synthetic rugs. So we have all kinds of stuff for different situations, and we go by case basis. So today I'm gonna use the Wool Medic. So what I'm gonna do is fill this up for about, let's say, 2 gallons. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of the Wool Medic. I always make sure the water's cool because you don't want to ever put hot water on a wool rug. It can damage the rug, it can change the color of it. So let's avoid that damage. Make sure you always use cool water. So I just went ahead and wet the rug completely to make sure the water breaks through the fibers. A lot of times the fibers are really tight and the water will stay on top. Put as much water as you can so it can break through. You can see in the back of the rug if the water has break through for thicker rugs. On this one it's a little bit easier because it's really thin. We want to break through those fibers, that way we can put our solution over it and the solution breaks through those fibers, breaks through the fibers as well, and it does what it needs to do. So now we're going to go ahead, add our solution, agitate the rug, and then pressure wash. sorry for the noise in the back, but it looks like just with the pressure washing, we were able to get that dog vomit out. We still have to pressure wash it from the back, but we did 2 passes in the front. We'll do 2 passes in the back, and then I'm gonna see if I can flush it out. If not, we'll just throw water on it and put it in the centrifuge. Usually with our other rugs, we would throw water on it, squeegee it out, and do it multiple times. But since this one is so thin, the water is just going right through it. There's no point in squeegeeing it out. So what I'm gonna do now is throw it on the centrifuge, open our water valve while it's running, and that should help it rinse out. All right, we hung up the rug. Looks a lot better. It wasn't too dirty to begin with, but it looks like that stain came out completely. Let's check the other side. I do not see that vomit stain anymore. Looks good. What I'm gonna do now is brush it. This is our brush for the fringes. We'll go put one hand behind this and then go like this. So I'll brush that and we'll hang it up a little bit higher. Let these fans dry it out. We leave it to dry overnight, and tomorrow we'll check if there's still a little bit of humidity in it. If our reader detects that it's dry, we'll pack it up, add some deodorizer, and have it ready for our client to pick up. So thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna try to release a little bit more. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for the support.